Hello, my favorite people. Welcome to another episode in this series. Today, we'll be looking at how a C program works. We are going to break the C program structure into bits. But before we go on, guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video. Let's get started. All this block of code, from int main to the curly brace here, is what we refer to as the function definition. It is a sort of an algorithm that tells the computer what you, the programmer, wants it to do. So, when the C programs begin to run, main is the first function to be called. The main here is what we refer to as an identifier. If you don't remember what an identifier is, guys, you can always check in the video up here. These lines of code in the main function is what we want the program to do. We refer to them either as statements or commands. We know this because of the semicolon here and here. This \n we see here is what we refer to as a new line character. We use this so that we can tell our program to go to the next line. So, as we can see, the return statement comes with a value 0. This 0 means that the program worked as expected. And the int we are seeing up here is the data type of this return value. Now, to the printf we are seeing here. It is a function call to the print function in the standard input and output library. This is one of the many C functions pre-compiled to make our task easier. So that is why we use the include preprocessor directive to add a library. So this include stdio.h is just telling our program to include the standard input and output header file. And that is it for this episode. Thanks guys for watching. Be sure to check out the next video. Click subscribe, and as always, be sure to like this video. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.